Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Pakistan's Coast Guard is evaluating solar-powered ISTAR drones to boost maritime surveillance. These high-endurance platforms could monitor sea lanes and smuggling routes for up to 48 hours without refueling. PAEC is studying mobile hypersonic launch platforms inspired by China's DF-17 system. The goal? Precision strikes at blistering speeds with survivable launchers on fast-response battlefield vehicles. Strategic Plans Division has greenlit Project Shaheen-X, Pakistan's first AI-guided bomber concept. This stealth platform aims to deliver strategic payloads without human pilots, using real-time adaptive targeting. Pakistan's defense R&D roadmap includes neural-linked helmets for soldiers by 2035. These brain-machine interfaces could boost battlefield reflexes, drone control, and tactical communication, all at the speed of thought. This is Pakistangeo Defence Updates. Press the bell icon and stay ahead on Pakistan's defense developments. Pakistan's heavy industries Taxila marks 2 decades of the Al-Qaswa logistics vehicle, an indigenous platform built to deliver frontline combat support. Designed for off-road transport of ammunition, fuel, and troops, Al-Qaswa has evolved with modern command control integration and modular configurations. Its proven reliability in harsh terrain has made it a backbone of logistical operations. As Pakistan pushes towards self-reliance, HIT continues to improve the Al-Qaswa with digital dashboards and protection upgrades for high-threat environments. The Mohafiz IV armored security vehicle has received major upgrades to meet Pakistan's evolving internal security challenges. With a reinforced monocoque hull, blast protection floor, and anti-riot features, it's now tailored for both urban unrest and high-risk VIP movement. The integration of thermal imaging, surveillance drones, and remote weapon stations enhances its day-night operational capability. HIT's Mohafiz IV fleet is deployed in sensitive zones, providing reliable mobility and force protection to LEAs and paramilitary forces. Heavy Industries Taxila is ramping up Armored Personnel Carrier APC production capacity as part of Pakistan's defense modernization roadmap. New production lines, CNC welding robots, and digital inspection systems have been installed to meet growing domestic and export demand. The factory is now capable of simultaneously manufacturing multiple APC variants, including remote weapon systems and IED-resistant platforms. This scale-up ensures timely delivery for national security operations while positioning Pakistan as a competitive player in the global armored vehicle market. HID has completed a critical phase of industrial modernization by installing next-generation CNC machining centers at its APC production division in Taxila. These multi-axis systems enable precision shaping of armored hulls, mounting brackets, and turret rings, significantly reducing production time. With automation and AI-based quality control now part of the workflow, the upgrade supports future production of high-performance IFVs and wheeled armor vehicles. It marks a leap in capability for indigenous armored systems built to NATO-level tolerances. Heavy Industries Taxila has secured advanced CNC machining systems to enhance its armored personnel carrier production line. These next-gen machines offer multi-axis precision cutting, enabling the fabrication of complex armor panels, turret bases, and modular vehicle chassis with NATO-level tolerances. This move will drastically reduce production time, improve design flexibility, and support upcoming IFV and MRAP variants. With integrated digital monitoring and AI-assisted quality control, Taxila's upgrade marks a major step in Pakistan's push for fully indigenous, high-precision armored vehicle manufacturing. Following the successful MD-19 hypersonic test flight, the Pakistan Air Force has launched a specialized training curriculum for pilots and ground crews handling next-generation hypersonic weapons. The course includes simulation-based engagement tactics, trajectory planning, and platform compatibility assessments. Pilots are being trained to deploy air-launched hypersonic glide vehicles from modified platforms under realistic combat scenarios. Insights from the MD-19 test are now guiding PAF's future doctrine as it transitions from supersonic to hypersonic warfare capabilities in South Asia's evolving air combat environment. Australia has officially raised concerns over what it calls an extraordinary and unprecedented military buildup by China. Speaking at a major regional security forum, Australia's Defence Minister Richard Marles questioned the scale and intent behind China's rapid expansion, especially its growing naval and missile capabilities. He emphasized that such a massive increase, unmatched since World War II, needs greater transparency. The statement follows reports of Chinese warships operating near Australian waters without prior notice, triggering alarm among defense planners. Australia is urging Beijing to clarify its strategic goals, warning that a lack of openness only increases tension and mistrust across the Indo-Pacific. That's all for today from Pakistangeo Defense. Hit subscribe and drop your opinion.